Immediately fix your App Store Visa card declined error right now. We're diving straight into the solutions to get your purchases processed. First, let's tackle the initial checks. Method 1 involves verifying your current payment information. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Payment and Shipping. Double-check all Visa card details, security codes, and billing addresses, ensuring all your billing info is perfectly matched. If simply updating your details doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to introduce a reliable alternative, which leads us to Method 2, adding a Mastercard. Return to Payment and Shipping, select Add Payment Method, then input your Mastercard details. This provides a fresh active payment route. Now that your Mastercard is ready, we need to ensure the system prioritizes it and cleans up old issues. This brings us to Method 3, removing the previously declined Visa card. From Payment and Shipping, tap Edit and the red minus icon next to your Visa and confirm removal. This clears any cached issues or conflicting data. Should these on-device adjustments not work, the problem might be external, and that's where Method 4 comes in, contacting your bank or Apple support. Call your Visa issuer to inquire about transaction blocks, explaining your App Store purchase attempt, getting direct clarity from your bank or Apple. These steps will get your App Store payments flowing smoothly again.